Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. I hope you had a lovely half-term break. Now, this week, we're going to be focusing on something called measuring. And today, I need you to first do a super job. I need you to go and find something in your house that you can use to help you measure different things. Some ideas might be, you might go and get lots of Lego pieces to help you, like I've got here. Or you might use some pens if you've got lots of pens or crayons. Or you could ask Mummy and Daddy and see if you've got lots of it. Some pasta. I need you to go and find something that you've got lots of and that you can use to help you go and measure different things. Once you've done that, get ready for the next part of our video. Now, you've probably had enough time to find something that you can use to measure. Miss McGrath has decided to use pasta today, and that's what she's going to be using to help her measure different objects. Now, today, we are going to be using your object that you've got, whether it's Lego or pens or pasta or something else, to find out the length of different objects. Now, that word length is the term what we're going to be focusing on today. And length means we want to know how long something is. When you're finding the length of something, it's working out how long something is. So shall we make a start? So you're going to have a look around your house for lots of different objects. I've been around the classroom and I found 3 different things. First, I've got the whiteboard remote. And I'm going to get my pasta to see how long it is. So here's my pieces of pasta. Now the length is how long it is. So I'm going to start my first piece of pasta right from the very start of the remote, because if I start it here, I've missed half of it. So I'm going to go right to the very edge here, where it just starts. What do you think? Do you think I need another piece? Yes, I do. So say if I've got 1 pasta piece. Now I've got 2 pasta pieces. Have I got enough yet? No, I don't think so either. 3 pasta pieces. 4 pasta pieces. I think I've probably nearly got to the end. So let's see. I think adding 5 might make it a bit long, because if I look here, it starts just where I want it to, the pasta pieces, but 5 is too much. So I think roughly my remote control is the same length as 4 pasta pieces. So I'm going to get my sheet here. It's going to be exactly the same as yours. And I'm going to draw my remote. I have my buttons on here. I'm going to write the word remote. And how many pieces was it again? Well done. It was 4 pasta pieces. It was the same length as 4 pasta pieces. Let's do another one, shall we? Now here, I found a whiteboard pen. And I want to see how many pasta pieces it is the same length as. So I'm going to get my pasta again. Where do I start it? Well done, I start it right at the very top. Just like that. Because I want to know the full length of it. I don't want to know a little bit, I want to know how long the entire whiteboard pen is. So I've got 1 pasta piece. Whoops, my pasta's going a bit wriggly. 2 pasta pieces. Wriggling about. 3 pasta pieces. Make sure they're nice and straight. And now I've got 4 pasta pieces. And if we look, although my pasta's very wriggly, you want it nice and straight as well. My pen is roughly how many pieces of pasta? Well done. It's 4 pasta pieces. So that means the pen is the length of 4 pasta pieces. So here I'm going to draw my pen, my whiteboard pen here. And I'm going to label it my whiteboard pen. And how many pasta pieces was it the same length as? Well done. It was 4 pasta pieces again. So now I'm going to find something else. I'm going to use my chair. I'm going to measure the length of the part you sit on. So I'm going to measure from here all the way down. Are you ready to help me? We've got 1, 2. Am I at the bottom yet? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's quite long. 8, 9. So, the bit of the chair what you sit on with your bottom is the same length as how many pasta pieces? Shall we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to draw that bit of the chair. So I'm going to draw my chair. Oh, there's my cello. But I'm going to draw a little arrow because that's the bit of the chair I measured. I didn't measure the top bit. I measured the part where you sit. How many? And I'm going to write chair here. And how many pasta pieces was it? Well done. It was 9 pasta pieces. So your job is to print off the sheet or make your own similar and then go around your house and find the length of different things. It could be the length of a shoe, it could be the length of your bed, your sofa, whatever you want. And remember to use the same object the whole time to measure your things. So I use pasta for each one of my things. So if you've got Lego, make sure you use Lego each time. Or if you've got pens, make sure you use pens each time. Or if you're using pasta as well, make sure you use pasta each time. I hope you have a really fun lesson today exploring how the length of different objects. Bye!